My name is Fredrik and I'm a blogger at Fredrik's Fika here in Sweden. And today I'm going to show you how to make Swedish cinnamon buns, cinnamon rolls. And I think everybody should try Swedish cinnamon buns at least once in their lives. And I will do this recipe in grams. Most scales can do both ounces and grams. And you find the link in the description down below and the full recipe also. I will put everything there so you really can try this recipe. Heat the milk to 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm using 50 grams of fresh yeast, and that translates to about 14 grams of dried yeast. Crumble the yeast in a large mixing bowl. I'm using a stand mixer today, and add the warm milk and stir until dissolved. Now add a tablespoon of grinded cardamom, a teaspoon of salt, 90 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of room-warm butter and 780 grams of flour. And you can use all-purpose flour or bread flour. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes in a stand mixer, and the dough is ready when it doesn't stick to the edges of the bowl and you can touch it without it sticking to your fingers. If it is a little bit sticky, add a little bit more flour. Now the dough is ready. Rather a little bit too sticky right now than too dry. And cover this and let rise for about 30 minutes or until double the size. While the dough rises, mix together 150 grams of room-warm butter, 90 grams of caster sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now the dough is ready and we're gonna make our buns. If the dough is a little bit sticky, use a little flour and roll this out to a big rectangle. Spread out the filling all over the dough, and you can do either two ways. You can roll it up to do a cinnamon roll, or you can slice it and do cinnamon buns. Fold the dough once and slice it up, and I'm going to show you how to do a classic Swedish cinnamon bun. Take a slice, twist it, and then fold it into a knot with the end under. Cover the buns and let rise for 30 minutes. Set the oven to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the buns with egg wash and then sprinkle on some pearl sugar. And this is a very typical Swedish thing. It's granulated sugar that doesn't melt in the oven. If you can't find it, you can use raw sugar instead. What we want is that extra crisp and sweetness. Bake in the middle of the oven 6 to 8 minutes, and the buns are ready when they are golden on top and on the bottom. Transfer to a wire rack and let cool. Swedish cinnamon buns, or cinnamon rolls, or as we say in Sweden, kanelbulle. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. And if you want to see more videos of Swedish Fika, subscribe. Now let's have a taste. So good.